How to sign out of all devices on Yahoo Mail. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to sign out of all devices on Yahoo Mail. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Yahoo Mail application on your device. Make sure you are logged in and now tap on the Yahoo Mail option on the top left corner of your screen. You will see the option for Manage Accounts. Tap on that and further tap on the Account Info option under your profile name. You will then see the option for Recent Activity. Tap on that. You will then be asked to enter your Face ID, so enter that. You will now see all the connected devices to your account. Tap on the three dots beside the account you want to delete and then tap on the Sign Out option and then tap on the Sign Out of Session button. You can also change your password if you want and log yourself out of all the connected devices for added security. So, this is how you can sign out of all devices on Yahoo Mail. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.